The Pentagon warns of future wars that may strike on US soil as direct military threats are growing. The strategy marks a significant departure from traditional US military doctrine that focused primarily on overseas theaters far away from America, emphasizing instead now that the United States must be prepared both to defend against attacks on its own territory and to conduct combat operations directly from the homeland if necessary. The document notes that countries such as Russia and China possess intercontinental ballistic missiles that can reach the US, and that North Korea has tested long-range missiles that US officials assess could strike US territory. Iran, however, they say, is unable at the moment to achieve that. But they've finally woken up to the fact that all these crazy Christians having rapture dreams of missiles coming out of the ocean and the sky and hitting American cities might actually be worth taking note of. War can come and will essentially come to the continental United States. It is best to be prepared for that eventuality. And it seems like the Pentagon, at least, is now taking that as a serious consideration. End times, indeed.